We Tried It brings you product reviews to help you make informed buying decisions. Today we're trying the Giraffe Tools Grand Falls Pressure Washer. Pressure washers do a great job at cleaning stubborn dirt off of vehicles, a driveway, or a garage floor, but they can be a pain to set up and store away. The Grand Falls Pressure Washer by Giraffe Tools does all the hard work for you. It's an auto retraction, high pressure washer that can be wall mounted. Once installed, the pressure washer is ready to go when you are. And when you're done, the auto retraction swiftly clears and stores the hose away for another time, just like a vacuum cleaner cord. This power washer is perfect for cleaning vehicles, driveways, tools, walls, and floors. Save valuable floor space with this system, as it can be mounted on the wall with just a bracket and screws. This high-pressure hose has a maximum water flow of 2200 psi, 2.1 gallons per minute, blasting away any dirt or grime that stands in its way. This sprayer is equipped with 4 different spray nozzles to bring various pressure and water output. Includes a foam cannon to spray soaps and detergents. The telescopic aluminum handle can be adjusted to the user's height, and it's easy to move with wheels. A specially designed smart lock allows you to use the hose at any length with a quick start-stop locking mechanism. Built-in overheating and protection devices ensure safety and durability. When the trigger is not engaged, the TSS Total Stop System automatically shuts off the pump, which saves energy and also extends the life of the pump. What's more, the gun safety lock prevents children and others from accidentally pulling the trigger. It's recommended to disassemble the pressure washer and place it indoors during winter to prevent freezing, which can cause damage. Priced at $309.79 with a 2-year quality warranty from Giraffe Tools, this power washer is worth the investment. Try it for yourself, now available on giraffetools.com. Have you tried the Grand Falls Pressure Washer? Tell us about your experience in the comments.